how to report unauthorized charges on your PNC card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you noticed a charge you didn't make on your PNC debit or credit card, well, here is how to report unauthorized charges fast and get your account protected. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, once you spot a suspicious charge, you can act immediately by contacting the PNC as soon as possible because fraud liability is limited and reporting promptly can protect your account. So to do that, you can call PNC right away at the number which you can find on their website, and there you just have to explain that the charge is unauthorized and be prepared with details like your card number, transactions amount and date. Now you can also report unauthorized charges via PNC online banking. So to do that, you just have to log into your account and go to the customer service tab, and there you just have to select dispute transaction under credit or debit card section, and there you just have to choose disputed transaction and confirm your address and follow the prompts to find or file your dispute. And that's it. If you see an unauthorized charge, you can report it right away by phone or in your online account, and PNC will help you to resolve it. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.